Hi, this is Thomas from the Hamden Public Library, and welcome to our video tutorial on how to join library Zoom programs using your telephone. Specifically, this tutorial will be looking at Zoom's dial-in feature, which can be used with landline or regular phones. All the information you will need to call into one of the library's Zoom program meetings will be present in the invitation email you received when you signed up for the program. If you need instructions on how to register for our online programs, see the description for more details. The part of the invitation email we are interested in is the phone information section. It's located towards the bottom of the email, and I've highlighted it here in blue. You'll also need the meeting ID number, which is right here. It's in purple. And you might also need a meeting password as well. In this example, there isn't one. However, in this next example here, we can see there is a password, and it's located right below the meeting ID number. When you join Zoom using your phone, you'll need both the telephone number to call as well as the meeting ID number. You might possibly need a password as well. If you do require a password to get in, you'll see a special numeric phone password right underneath where the meeting ID number is. In previous versions of Zoom, the email referred to something called One-Tap Mobile, which in this version is just the equivalent of that top line there. That top line consists of 4 numbers, and they're grouped into pairs. Each pair has 2 parts. The first number in each pair is a telephone number. This is the number you'll call in order to connect to Zoom's telephone services. Now, as you can see, there are a lot more telephone numbers on the screen than just the ones in the first line. All of these will work. It's just that Zoom is giving you a lot of different options so you can call based upon where you're actually located. But if you're calling locally, either of the top 2 numbers should work just fine. The second number in each number pair is the meeting ID number, followed by the pound sign. Once you call into Zoom, it will ask you to input that number and the pound sign into your keypad in order to join the meeting. And just for good measure, below the telephone numbers, they also give the meeting ID number again. If you log in really early, it might ask you to enter the pound sign once again, just to make sure you're not the meeting host. But once that's over, you're in. You can just wait for the meeting to start, and when the meeting starts, you'll be able to hear all the participants and talk as well. And here's a quick video example of how that works.
Welcome to Zoom. Enter your meeting ID followed by pound. If you are the meeting host, please enter your host key followed by pound. If you are a participant, please press pound to continue. The meeting has not started. Please wait or try again later.
If you have any more questions, please email us at info@hamdenlibrary.org or chat with us on Facebook. Chat hours are Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. and 4 p.m. to 8 p.m. Thank you for watching. Stay safe and have a nice day.